Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina Louise. So what are we going to be making today? We are going to make this beautiful Christmas keepsake trinket box. It can be used as a gorgeous ornament on your tree or for a special jewelry box for someone. It is so pretty and it is made out of something you literally throw in the garbage all the time. Can you guess what this is made from? If you guess packing tape rolls, you are right. That's what we are using to make this. And they're so beautiful and there's so many different ways you could design these and decorate them in any kind of holiday or any kind of theme, whatever decor you have in your house. And these are the things that I use. I use Dollar Tree burlap and lace ribbon and other ribbons from my stash. I am using these beautiful handmade wooden buttons that I bought from an Etsy seller years ago for another project. I had a box of these. And this little fat pearl I'm going to use to put on top of it for the little handle for the top of the trinket box. If you don't have big buttons like this, which you probably don't, you can use the top of a Gatorade bottle or anything like that. You will need some scrap cardboard, and if you don't have ribbon, you can just use some fabric, old fabric, sheets, anything that you could tear up into strips for this project. You don't need to use ribbon. So get out your hot glue gun, your scissors, and your embellishments, and let's get started. First, you're going to trace around your tape roll and cut out 2 circles. One is for the bottom and one is for your lid. Now you're going to cover your ring. I wrapped it around and so it met in the center because you want the inside of your trinket box to look beautiful. So I just measured it and then I cut it, and I cut 6 of these. Now you can do anything. You can use any size ribbon. You can, like I said earlier, you can take fabric, scraps, just wrap it around. You just want to cover this ring completely with your ribbon or your fabric. If you're going to use the burlap and lace from Dollar Tree, you're just going to cut 6 of these and it fits perfectly, and we're just going to hot glue them all the way around and have them meet in the center. See how I'm doing this? I'm just wrapping it around and I'm gluing it in the center so that my seam where they meet is on the inside. Now you just keep repeating this process until the entire roll is covered with your lace or your fabric, your ribbon, whatever it is you decide to use. You can even use an old shirt with a pretty fabric. Look how beautiful that looks. It's so pretty already. Now we're just going to hot glue the bottom. Now the fun part, we get to create the top. I'm just taking that handmade wood button and I'm going to hot glue this big pearl on top of it. You could get these pearls at Dollar Tree. to make the little handle top, the little part where you lift off the top, the lid. Anyway, I'm going to hot glue that now, let that dry, and in the meantime, I'm going to embellish my lid, which is the fun part. And let your imagination go wild. You could do anything. There's so many things you can do with this idea. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you hit that subscribe button, you will help my channel grow. So please consider hitting the subscribe button. And here is the topper to my lid. I think it's so rustic and farmhouse. And now I'm just going to add a little buffalo check ribbon. I decided to take jute, and I'm going to make a little bow out of jute by just rolling it around my fingers a couple of times, cutting it, and then I'll take another piece and I will tie it in the center and make a knot, and that will create a quick little rustic bow to add. It's so rustic looking, I love it. Now we're going to cover the lid with lace, and then we're going to do some more embellishing after that. Now that I've glued the lace on, I'm just going to fold over all the edges, and I'm going to hot glue it all the way around so that they're all tucked in under the lid. See how pretty the lid is? I love it. Now we're just going to put on the button and the pearl, because that's going to be our little lifting handle on the lid, and then we're just gonna add some more embellishment and make it all pretty and Christmassy. I'm just gonna hold it there for a few seconds until the hot glue dries. Now the fun part, let's just embellish this more and make it very Christmassy. Of course, I need to put a red velvet poinsettia on it. It matches the other pieces that I made this week. And if you haven't seen my videos on the matching hand warmers and the Christmas log ornament, I will put those links below so you could watch those videos because all these pieces coordinate and look so pretty together. I'm in love with this and I hope you love it too, and it was so much fun and so easy and so inexpensive. And if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.